Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add someone in Google Chat. So, if you want to use Google Chat, you can just simply open the Gmail app because there's no feature yet on the Google Chat. There's no app on the Google Chat individually. So if you want to use Google Chat, you need to open the Gmail. So let's open the Gmail apps in here. And then this is where the chat tab is. But if you cannot find this chat on your Gmail, that means that you haven't activate or turn on the chat tabs on your Gmail. So what you need to do is just go to the settings on your Gmail app by clicking on this three lines icon, and then you can scroll down and choose settings. Here click on your email account's name, and then there will be this general section and you'll see the chat option. You can see I've already checked this one to show the chat tab, but if you haven't checked this, you need to click on this to check the to enable the chat tab. Now after that, you can just go back and let's open the Google Chat. Okay, so this is where the Google Chat is. So if you want to add someone in the Google Chat, you can just simply click on this plus icon at the bottom, and now you can just search for the person, space, or app. So actually there is no add or follow button in the Google Chat, so you can just simply find the person's emails, and then you can just click on the emails names in here. You can click on the emails name, and then you can tap on done at the top, and here you can just start a chat with them. So you don't need to add them to be able to chat with someone on the Google Chat. So you can just simply find the email's name, and then after that click on the email's name, and you'll be seeing and you'll be directed to this chat page. So you can just chat the person. For example, hey, it's me. You can just tap on send. So when you go back, there's this chat tab or chat a conversation with the person that you've just searched. So that's all from me. That's how you can add someone in Google Chat. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment if you have any question, and also click on the thanks and subscribe button to keep support us. That's all from me. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.